iPhone SE, 2020, with Apple A13 SoC, Touch ID support launched, price in India, specifications. iPhone SE, 2020, is finally official, after months of anticipation. With it, Apple has unveiled the most affordable iPhone model in its current lineup. Called the new iPhone SE, it was originally rumored to debut as the iPhone SE2 and later reported as the iPhone 9. It retains the 4.7-inch size that's available on the iPhone 8 and previous regular iPhone models, not the Plus ones, of course. Despite being the most affordable model, the new iPhone is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chip, which is powering the iPhone 11 series. The iPhone SE, 2020, also runs iOS 13 out of the box and comes with a Touch ID fingerprint sensor. iPhone SE, 2020, price in India, availability details. The iPhone SE, 2020, price in India starts at 42,500 rupees for the 64GB storage variant, while the smartphone is also available in 128GB and 256GB storage variants. Unfortunately, India prices for the other variants have not been revealed, nor has India availability. The US pricing of the new iPhone SE starts at $399, roughly 30,600 rupees, for the 64GB model, going up to $499, roughly 38,200 rupees, for 128GB model, and $549, roughly 45,000 rupees, for the 256GB model. Moreover, the iPhone SE 2020 comes in black, white, and product red color options. Pre-orders begin from 5 p.m. PDT on Friday, April 17th, and it will go on sale from Friday, April 24th in the US. iPhone SE 2020 specifications, features. Apple has provided the 4.7-inch Retina HD LCD display on the iPhone SE 2020 that has 750x1334 pixels resolution. The display panel features haptic touch support, seen in newer iPhone models. Under the hood, there is the A13 Bionic chip that is a part of the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The new iPhone also has a single 12-megapixel camera sensor, f/1.8 aperture, at the back along with a LED True Tone flash with slow sync. For selfies and video chat, there is an 7-megapixel camera at the front, with an f/2.2 aperture. Connectivity options on the iPhone SE 2020 include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11x, Bluetooth, GPS, a GPS, and a Lightning port. The new iPhone also has the Touch ID button, instead of the Face ID support that requires a special array of sensors. Design-wise, the iPhone SE 2020 looks quite similar to the iPhone 8 that was launched as the successor to the iPhone 7 in September 2017. It measures 138.4 x 67.3 x 7.3 mm, and weighs 148 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.